Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fidia and I'm the product manager of Redkendi. So Redkendi is a B2B catering marketplace. We're connecting the customer and caterer, and we're focused on industrial. Industrial catering has existed for more than 50 years, but the problem is always the same. It's about the raw material, unskilled catering workforce, limited system, lack of financial management, and low quality oxygen. These problems lead to low quality of food and service. So from here, we have a mission to help the catering to increase their efficiency and create added value. So at the end, the food and service that they give to the customer will be increased. We're doing this by a systematic approach and leveraging technology. So our business model is quite unique because we move backward. We started from the demand from the customer. They need food every day, and we connect them to our caterers via Redkendi. And then for our caterers, we supply them raw material with yellow candy. And we also support their capital with green candy. We connect the caterers and the fintech. So as you can see, we create ecosystem here. We also have the application both for customer and caterer. I'll show you the journey. So it started from the customer can explore our food and then create order. It will be blessed to the catering. Catering can join the tender. Then customer can choose the best one. And then the order can be seen both on customer and caterer apps. They can chat via application. And customer can give rating and review to the caterer. And the invoice can be printed right away from the apps. And the catering can get the report. And this is what the customer and client says about Redkendi. Talking about potential market, there are 17.5 million workers distributed across 95 industrial estates in Indonesia. This is really huge, and it gives a great opportunity for our ecosystem with 10.7 billion US dollar per year. And the actual meal portion that we have started from 85 portions per day, and now we're delivering 103,000 portions per day. So we have increased more than 1,200 times since 3 years ago. And for the revenue, we started with 57 million rupiah, and now we got 2.6 billion in this year. So we have compound average growth more than 220% in 3 years. So that makes us become the only one player, and we are the market leader, of course. So the strategy, we will keep improving our user experience. We will start with our kitchen that can be rented by the caterer, and also produce the ready-to-cook material. And then we will continue with the AI for helping complaint resolution and also for optimizing supply chain. And of course, we want to go to the global market. Our funding status now, we got $4.5 million, and we're planning to pre-run a fundraising next year. And this is our team members. There are 3 founders, and there are also advisors. One of them is Pak Zamzam Reza and Pak Toto Sigiri as advisors. So lastly, I'm so excited with all the participants. If you could share your clear value proposition and how to work effectively, I think you could be part of our ecosystem. You could be our suppliers or vendors. So let's grow together. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now it's time for the judges to give the question.
What's the company's headcount right now?
Sorry?
How many people at the company?
It's about 100.
And I think you mentioned raising $4.4 million.
$4.4 million, right.
Is that already done, or that is in process?
It's already in our cash.
Wow, okay.
What happened this year? How did the growth more than double this year?
Thank you. Because our market is already clear, and we already have the customer. We start from the customer. Then we can supply them with the thing that it is a food industry. Everyone needs food. So it's clear for us to get into the market.
So what's to stop a customer from using your platform to find the most optimum vendor for them and then chatting the vendor directly and completely like doing without you guys?
Actually, we select only the best catering that can serve to our platform. We have tiering from the Class A catering, Class B, and others. So the customer will be easier to find the best caterer between they look for themselves.
How often does a typical customer use caterers? How often would they be coming to the platform?
Actually, customer not really often change the caterer because it's not like us order GoFood, but this is order for like hundreds of people. So it's like 3 months, 6 months, like that.
So once every 3 months or once every 6 months, and they
Yes.
tend to change caterers each time?
Yes, that's for industrial, but for the city like Jakarta, they change more often because the customer, the users, the workers is not as much as in the industrial. So it's like 2.
Okay, the time is up. Thank you very much, Fidia Annisa Putri, Product Manager from Redkendi.